everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download paid apps or all kinds of applications, cracked games, everything on your iPhone for free without any jailbreak or any sort of that applications. So first thing you got to do is go into Safari and type in tweakbox tweakboxapp.com. It's right there. Just tap on that and it will take you to this application here, page here. So just scroll up and tap on download app. It will ask you to show a configuration profile. Just allow it. It will take you to settings and ask you to install this configuration profile. Just tap on install and it will ask you to enter your passcode. Just enter your passcode and tap install, and it's done, just like that. It will take you back to Safari, exit Safari, and the app will be there on your home screen. Just open this app. It will show you a couple of ads, or once or twice it will crash between opening up. It is quietly normal because this app is not certified by Apple or anything, so crashing is normal here. It won't crash too often, but it will crash. Just close the ads here and go into applications. You can see all sorts of applications here. You can just download hacked games. Everything works here, as you can see. Okay, just while you're downloading cracked games, keep in mind to uninstall the original version of the game from your phone. As you can see, I just show you Clash of Clans here. It'll show you delete the official app before installing the tweaked app. Yeah, so you just do that, otherwise it will get messed up. You can get all sorts of games cracked and everything in here. Just go back. Everything works. I'm sure everything works in here. It works for iOS 11 and above. I can show you I'm running here. What I'm running here is iOS 11.4.1. It's the official version. So I'm sure everything is going to work in here. So just go back into the tweakbox app. I'm going to show you. See, this happens once in a while. It crashes. Just have to force close the application like that and just open it again and it should work fine. It will be fine. So you just close it and tap on apps here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to download one app here just to show you how it is done. So here I'm going to download one of the tweakbox applications. Let's see, I'll download or I'll just download the first app that pops up. It's Airshow. I will just tap on it, tap install, and tap on install, and it will start installing in the background. Just go ahead back and you'll see that installing in the background. Just wait for a while to start downloading. As you can see, it's installing so really fast. But keep in mind that even if you open this right now, it will not work on your phone. Just tap on it. It's not trusted. You have to go into settings and profile and device management. I'll just take you back there. General, go down, profiles and device management. You'll see an enterprise app profile again. Just you have to go in and trust the application. After you've done that, it will open up the application as you would see. So it's like the same for every application, games or everything. You have to go in and trust the application. So that's how you download free stuff on your iPhone. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Leave a comment below on what else you would like to see. So thanks for watching and peace out.